How to delete credit card from Lyft app. Let's get started. Launch your Lyft app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to this kind of page. Now at the top left corner, you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Payment. Once you're on this page, over here you're gonna find the section of payment methods. Below that, you're gonna find the credit card. In the case you have added credit card, it's gonna appear over here. At the moment, I haven't added any payment method, so it is showing the option of add payment method over here. But in the case you have added credit card, it's gonna appear over here. Click on that. Then go ahead and click on the option of remove. With that, all the details of your credit card will be removed from your Lyft app. So this way you can easily delete credit card from the Lyft app. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.